Hey everybody, it's David Wilkes, and I just wanted to make a video of how the Cradle came out. If you tuned in Sunday, Halloween, and shared your day or checked in to see how this Cradle was being built from start to finish, pretty much the finish was just, pushing it here in the evening, and I did not video that, but I just wanted to show you guys what it is that I built and why I built it. The travel stands, are what we call the yard arms, which is what most of the boats are on top of out in the yard, are quite expensive. They range in price from 150 to 250 bucks for a top and bottom set. So I bought the steel months ago before the steel prices went up, and have designed this Cradle so it can be used for boats anywhere. And this is a 28-foot length, anywhere in the range of 25, 28 feet to even a 30-foot long boat, or even 35. As you can see, I'm not even using the forward beam. I'm just using bunks here, and we can move these bunks around, adjust them as necessary, add more. I plan on adding a couple more out here to the outside. Everything was welded with the Harbor Freight Vulcan220 Welder, and I must say it does an amazing job. The DeWalt cold cut saw slices these ends effortlessly, as you could see, and it certainly gives us the ability of adjustments. James is still working on this Yamaha outboard here. It's got a leaking trim cylinder, so it's leaking here, and as you can see, it's leaving drops on the floor even at its top position. He's already popped that out and getting ready to work on all that. But the beauty of this is being able to support everything and all the weight, and there's zero flex in this thing. I mean, you don't see any bowing or anything. This boat weighs a little bit more than 8,500 pounds. It is full of fuel, and it has over a 200-gallon capacity. So it's quite a bit of weight, but it's a really, really good addition to our shop. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. That Harbor Freight welder gets it done, and for a fraction of the price. I think it's one of the simplest, easiest welders to use. Literally, you just follow the on-screen prompts, and you come out with a really, really good looking product. Anyway, that's just a short video, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Stay tuned for more coming out today. We got a full trailer build coming up. 6 hubs, new bunks, all new rotors, the new seal caps that just came out. Full brake job. Stay tuned, we got a lot coming up.